about input and output devices in computer. Left side circle this area: keyboard, webcam, scanner, mouse, joystick, light pen, barcode reader, touch kiosk. These are known as input devices for the computer. Right side circle this area: printer, monitor, headphone, speaker, LCD projector, plotter. These are known as output devices. Input and output device are very important in computer. You can see from this particular picture. This keyboard data from the keyboard will go into computer, not in monitor screen, in computer for processing purpose. Instead of keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, you can keep as input device. You can also see output example. The CPU, that means computer, from computer to printer, or else LCD projector, plotter, or same monitor screen. It's an example of output device. Data flow from this direction. You have seen this picture: input devices, output devices. In between, these are also attached to computer. You can attach to this camera to computer. CD also or DVD also we can attach. You can see this picture. Same input devices. Instead of computer, CPU is written, central processing unit, and output devices. CPU is also having storage device attached to it. So if you want to store data, it will go into memory, either hard disk or pen drive or CD DVD. This is the difference between input and output device. Input is any data that we send to computer for processing. I repeat, input is any data that we send to computer for processing. Example already told to you, shown to you. Output is the result of the processed data that we see through some devices. Output is the result of the processed data that we see through some devices. Example, monitor, printer, and speaker. Thank you.